an ad hoc committee to look into the Safe School program funding and expenditure and whether or not it has achieved its purpose in view of this current incident of the kidnap of our school children and the killing of this vice principal. Those in support of this motion that the Senate should immediately set up an ad hoc committee to look into, I don't want to use the word probe, to look into the funding, the expenditure, and the outcome of the Safe School program. Say aye. Those again say nay. The ayes have it. So we will set up the Safe School program committee investigative panel immediately to look into the situation. And we are in sympathy with what has happened. But please be reminded that Nigeria is a very large country with 36 states and the FCT. Also be reminded that it is not possible to have even one policeman per polling unit during election because we don't have the personnel. And then, of course, our security services are stretched. And these people are going to soft targets. They go to places that you are not expecting at all. And also, there is no society without crime. Even the almighty America has crime on a daily basis. So, but we must do our best to minimize crime, to reduce crime to the barest minimum. And it is not peculiar to any particular regime. Crime is crime. Crime is crime. It doesn't matter the administration. So our job here is to make laws, motions, decisions, legislations to reduce crime to the barest minimum. And finally, on behalf of the 10 Senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we sympathize with the agony. We sympathize with the families for the agony they are passing through. We sympathize with those who are young children that are probably in very uncomfortable situation right now, wherever they are taken to. And we urge the, not just relevant committees this time, we urge the armed forces across board, including individuals who may have information, to assist to do everything to bring those children back to rejoin their families and to continue their education. We're in sympathy with them because they have been traumatized. And may we now rise to observe a 1-minute silence in honor of the vice principal, the heroic vice principal, who in the attempt to stop any harm coming upon those children was dastardly killed, as the Senate has already condemned such. Let's observe 1-minute silence for the repose of the soul of that principal. The soul of our fellow Nigerian vice principal of the school, who died in the course of protecting the children, rest in perfect peace.